Hi traders, starting to look at the markets through the eyes of the Dow Daily. I'm short from the highs up here. I got short close to the 300 mark, so just over 100 points in profit at the moment. This could go either way though. I'm going to get a stop to break even on this. Huge trend line coming underneath with all these touches, crisscrossing this, holding up this hammer up here, which has lifted us into this resistance area. I'm just watching this area here. Now, the futures market's got 10 minutes to go. Cash market's closed. If we close, the futures market just narrowly close under here, we could break down here and really start to roll over. However, if we hold this level here, we could, the pullbacks could get bought, and the bulls could just carry this on back up to these highs. So I'm going to stay short, but I'm going to also stay cautious. All the time we are holding this 50 MA, all the time we're holding up, then we could still move to the upside. The pound yen is struggling up here. You can see we're right on this fib level. I've been trading in a pretty tight range, about 170 point range over the last week, and this week we are no exception. Data, we've got US consumer confidence tomorrow. We've got UK GDP and US home sales Wednesday. So I'm looking to see if this pound yen can complete this this cut pattern, possibly do a bit of a handle and yank up. But if we can't hold this area here, then this is going to roll over as well. We're dependent on the Dow, so if the Dow does roll over, then I think it will carry the pound yen with it. So we are right on the line. Pound US, that's a good close. I mean, that's a hammer on this support. But which under the 670, and 670 to me is crucial because of this high up here. So pound Aussie dollar is just about clinging on but weak. Euro US sideways, and Euro yen sideways to weak. Gold. So the safe havens, what's got me interested on the short side of these markets is the bonds are picking up, which is a safe haven, as is the gold. So that pullback to the 200 MA is proven to be a good buy. Let's have a look at the FTSE, because the FTSE's had a good day. I mean, it's had an incredible February, let's be honest. And we're right up against that resistance. This is the third time we've come up here to test this. So we're holding up here for UK GDP. Now, normally it's through and through, so we could hold up here and still bust up. But we are high. RSI is high. Oil pullbacks to the 102 area are holding. The wheat is doing really well. Let's pull back to major support area after 2 days of selling. The sugar is incredible. A rather embarrassing breakaway from the point of view that I suggested that a member might want to get out of that. Exits are the toughest thing in trading, and the beans, they spent a long time consolidating around that 200. And over the last week they've had a good time. You can see into the close, a bit of a sell-off there, but they were very high. They were very extended. Stocks, let's just go through the stocks I talked about. This is the list from the weekend. So again, a nice move during the day, but weakness into the close on STI. Potash is sideways. I'm still holding out 32.85. NetApp. I was hoping for a higher close. That was at 40.25, 40.30 earlier on. MON. Ooh, that's going to cost me. That's a nasty close. Goldman's butting up against that 50 EMA. That's not such a good one. Dean Foods, I'm not in. I'm just waiting. Chesapeake. There's a lot of resistance up there. That is a nice close. Nice hammer down there, which has worked well. CELG. That's good. That's a buy at 162.40 tomorrow. CME. Not great. Beazer Homes is doing well. We've got new home sales in the US on Friday. If you are going to get into that one at 21.75, be careful. Bank of America is good. That's coming off the 50 EMA. That looks as if that could get back up to the highs. BBT has had a brilliant day. That's a buy at 37.40. And 3D Systems is not doing it, so stand back. Okay. So we've got options expiry behind us. Beginning of the week is okay, but not great. But yeah, we are holding up. Alright, so sideways to bullish is at the start of the week. A lot of data as we get into tomorrow and the middle of the week. Alright, I do hope that helps, and try and cut out the noise, pick these levels, watch these levels, and trade carefully and manage your trade. Alright, good evening, and see you at the next update.